Driving down the motorway, what's that castle old and grey? Emily by my side today, history alive in every way. It's in our travel show, to the lakes and wells we go, flying drones to views below, capturing moments we love so. Subscribe and join our tales, two sisters on adventures brave, from castles to winding trails, with every video we pave. England's secrets we'll reveal, every turn another thrill. In our hearts we truly feel this joy we can't distill. Subscribe and join our tales, two sisters on adventures brave, from castles to winding trails, with every video we pave. England's secrets will reveal, every turn another thrill. In our hearts we truly feel this joy we can't distill. Subscribe and join our tales, two sisters on adventures brave, from castles to winding trails, with every video we pave. Traveling through time and space, every trip an endless chase, from the ancient to the face of new horizons we embrace. Subscribe and join our tales, two sisters on adventures brave, from castles to winding trails, with every video we pave. England's secrets will reveal, every turn another thrill. In our hearts we truly feel this joy we can't distill.